Hey y'all, so first things first, let's protect this hair. And you guys can see it's 12:17, so it's time for me to go to sleep, wash my face, do my routine. See, I'm yawning, I'm tired. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. I'm taking my face halo, and this is a lifesaver. All you need is a little bit of water and the face halo, and it's going to take away all of your makeup. I'm wearing lighter makeup in this tutorial, but if you have like heavier makeup, you can use both sides of the face halo. A 3-pack of the face halo is $22, but when you compare it to how much money you'd be spending if you use makeup wipes, it's definitely cheaper, and these are super gentle and soft and very effective.
Skinny's bitch, but that rat, she was nothing but another skinny bitch.
So today I'm listening to a podcast called Inside the Pink, and it's on love. I'm gonna be lighting this candle that's near me. I love the way it smells, and I just love the vibe that it gives me while I'm washing my face. So next I'm going to be brushing my teeth. I take my toothbrush and my Sensodyne toothpaste and brush my teeth for about 2 minutes. That's what I suggest. Also, I'm the type of person to wet the toothbrush, put the toothpaste on, and then wet the toothbrush again. So if you're one of those people, comment down below so I know that I'm not alone. I don't really like seeing people brush their teeth, so I'm going to really skip over this part or keep it to a minimum. So now that that's over, you want to make sure before you start washing your face that you wash your hands. Like I cannot stress how important it is to wash your hands, because if you're just putting water on your hands and then putting your face soap on there, you're literally just putting all the dirt, bacteria, oil, whatever back onto your face. So definitely wash your hands, just prep. So first I'm going to be going in with the Soap & Glory Fab Pore Cleanser, and then second I'm going to be going in with my Dermalogica Special Cleansing Gel. This kind of goes without saying, but make sure you wet your face, like really wet your face before you put on any soap or anything, just because you don't want to be putting soap on a dry face. Like, it just doesn't make any sense. But I want to tell you guys something I've started doing. Like, I've started washing my face for at least 60 seconds, and I've seen a dramatic change in how my facial texture looks. I'm so funny. But make sure you're washing your face for 60 seconds. I learned that from LA Beautyologist on Twitter. I might link her in my description box as well if you guys want to check out her channel. She's an esthetician that just teaches a lot of things about skincare on Twitter that I listen to. Also, when you're washing your face, do not forget about your neck. Your neck is important, sis. You need to get the back of your neck. Like, you be seeing how people be having those dark, ashy necks. It's because they don't be washing their necks, and that's not cute. And some people don't wash their ears. I'm not gonna go on a tangent, but make sure you're getting every part of your upper body, like your neck, the back of your neck, between your chin, your ears, behind your ears. It's all important. Okay, so now that you are done washing your face, you want to make sure you rinse that facial wash off thoroughly. We are going in with another face wash, as I mentioned earlier, so make sure you get all of that face wash off your face. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with the Dermalogica cleanser. You may see this as unnecessary, but I like washing my face twice. I just like the way that both of the face washes make my face feel. So another 60 seconds with this one. And when you're doing face washes, exfoliators, you want to make sure you do that all for 60 seconds. You want to give the product at least 60 seconds to actually make a change in your skin and do what it's supposed to do. So next you want to take your cotton pads and this Rose Tonic Pixie Toner, and you want to put all of that toner on these cotton rounds and then rub that all over your face. Make sure you cover all of the spots that you hit with the face wash. You want to make sure you get behind the neck, behind the ears, the whole neck, the nose, etc., etc. Well, this that I'm showing you guys right now is my Daily Microfoliant by Dermalogica. I do not use this product daily. I use this about 2 to 3 times a week, just when I feel like my skin needs a little, extra exfoliation, when I need to get my dead skin out the way. And you want to just pour this in your hand. It's a powder that turns into a scrub. So you want to put that powder in your hands, get a little water, rub it together in your hands, and then put that all over your face. And like I said earlier, you definitely want to do this for 60 seconds, like all of your face washes. So again, I'm going to be toning. You want to tone between most of your steps. So you want to cleanse, tone, exfoliate, tone, mask, tone, and then You put the serum in. The reason you tone before all of these steps is because your toner brings your skin back to the normal pH balance, and you want your skin to be balanced when you put these products on your face. So go ahead and tone. Make sure you get behind your ears, all of that, you dig. Right now, I just feel matte clean. Like, you see me trying to push that toner into my face, really work it in, because I kind of want my skin to not be damp whatsoever when I put this next product in. And the next product I'm going to be using is a serum. So I'm just going to be taking this vitamin C serum. It's just something I got from TJ Maxx that I ended up liking, and I'm just going to put that all over my face. So as you guys may know, vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps with aging, sun exposure, like your dark spots, evenness around your skin. So I just like to use it because I do kind of see a difference, and the way my skin looks is more even, less dark spots, etc. So that's why I like using this serum. And another important step to this is like patting it in so you can make sure you're penetrating your skin layers. Some people use like jade rollers, rose quartz rollers to do this. I have a jade roller that I use sometimes as well for this step. But the next thing I'm going to be doing is using an eye cream. This is the Dermalogica Turtle Eye Cream, I believe. And I'm just going to be putting that under my eyes. I don't know if I put this like under my eyebrows as well, but make sure you're doing that too. Those are like the two spots that you want to put eye creams. Like I said, I do have a jade roller that I use. This is just to like moisturize my skin deeper, penetrate those areas, and to have a more youthful look. I'm just gonna use that all over my face. You can use that for like 5-10 minutes. I personally don't feel like doing that. Like, I'm not gonna sit in the mirror for 5 minutes and push a jade roller around my face. So I'm gonna be doing it for like a minute and then use the other side to do my under eye. So I also use two moisturizers. I take this Neutrogena water gel cream, and I also take this Dermalogica active moisturizer. And yeah, I'm just gonna put those all over my face, neck, ears, etc. And again, I'm gonna be pressing that in. Lastly, I'm going to be taking my Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Overnight Gel Mask. This is like my tried and true mask. I love this mask. Like I said, it's overnight, so I sleep in it. You could just use a regular sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes, you know, rub that all over your face after you're done and go to sleep. But me personally, I just like how hydrating this is after I wake up in the morning. So this is my last step. Now I'm going to be changing into my bandana and my bonnet, and it is about time for me to go to sleep, y'all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.